We have all of the ingredients for a wedding. We have the guests, we have a bride and a groom that's about to faint. So we have everything. Welcome to the Bethel Church.
You have known each other from the first glance of acquaintance to this point of commitment. At some point, you decided to marry.
I do solemnly declare
That I know not
I know not
of any lawful impediment
of any lawful impediment
why
I,
Matthew,
Matthew,
may not be joined in matrimony
may not be joined in matrimony
to Astrid.
to Astrid.
Thank you, sir.
From that moment of yes to this moment of yes, indeed, you have been making commitments in an informal way. All of those conversations that were held in a car or over a meal or during long walks, all those conversations that begin with when we're married and continued with I will and you will and we will. All those late night talks that included someday and somehow and maybe, and all those promises that are unspoken matters of the heart. All these common things and more are the real process of a wedding. The symbolic vows that you're about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know all those things that we promised and hoped and dreamed. Well, I meant it all, every word. Look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you've been many things to one another. Acquaintance, friend, companion, lover, dancing partner, even teacher. For you have learned much from one another these past few years. Shortly, you shall say a few words that will take you across a threshold of life, and things between you will never quite be the same. For after today, you shall say to the world, this is my husband, this is my wife.
I call on these persons here present,
That I,
Astrid,
take thee, Matthew,
take thee, Matthew,
to be my lawful wedded husband,
to be my lawful wedded husband,
to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
Yeah, good to go. I've been off that before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've been off that before, but I don't wanna come top the list. Alright, real bad man, no we people pants. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Jonathan New dance and Jamaica and Grant. Yeah, on the river, on the bank. Kick out the shoes because you put them no cramp. What you say in the river? On the bank, Jonathan New dance and Jamaica and Grant. Yeah, down the flank, we a go down the flank. Like a baller, we go down the flank. You're cheap, pretty young, just in the tank. But the new dance, you know where people are cool.